One of the more profound things we've learned over the past several decades of helping people get their hair back is this: don't just rely on one treatment to fight hair loss. Advances in technology and science have given us a variety of tools to combat the way our hair follicles age. One of the best treatments we've found for maintaining and building hair strength and thickness is low-level laser therapy. Introducing the Bosley Revitalizer. It's easy to use, effective, and of course, we have it right here at Bosley. Wearing this super comfortable cap at home for just 30 minutes every other day could get you noticeably thicker hair in about 17 weeks. And that's just when you use the Revitalizer by itself. When you use low-level laser therapy in conjunction with other Bosley treatments, your results may be intensified. Here's why we love the Bosley Revitalizer. First and foremost, the Revitalizer can both strengthen and thicken your hair. It's clinically proven to work, cleared by the FDA, safe and effective, and you can use it just about anywhere. I'm sure you're wondering how the power of lasers on your scalp actually helps your hair. I'll tell you the secret. Mad scientists develop lower-level lasers in an effort to take over the world. No, seriously, some really smart doctors figured out that if you expose your scalp to a specific wavelength of light, it stimulates the cells that grow and strengthen your hair. Miniaturized hair follicles are revitalized to a healthier state through photobiomodulation. Using 650 nanometer light, the high-efficiency lasers help to encourage blood flow and rejuvenate cell growth. As a result, with continued use, you'll see slower hair loss and increased hair diameter, leading to a thicker, fuller head of hair. Pretty cool, right? Each system includes a laser therapy cap with either 96, 164, or 272 laser diodes, a rechargeable battery, a wall charger, a storage pouch to make traveling with the Revitalizer easy, and a step-by-step manual to make it super easy to use. Your counselor is here with any questions you might have. Ask them about how the Revitalizer fits into your hair loss regimen. This can be one of several powerful choices you make to stop your hair loss. Start improving the fullness and thickness of your hair today.